today's drawing, which is lesson 6 of the Best of online drawing class, we will be combining black objects on a white surface with white objects on a black surface to get the full range of how light and how dark shadows, cast shadows, reflected lights on both white and black really are. I'm going to be working with charcoal, chunks, white pastel, pink pearl eraser, my kneaded eraser, and I'm keeping my sharpener close at hand in case I need to sharpen my pencils. I'm going to start with a white pastel pencil and show you the range of values that I'm working with, which is 5 different values. Now I'm going to get these values by pressure and by multiple layers of pastel line. So I'll show you a couple of different ways how to do this. My whitest white will be on this end. I press down hard. I go in both directions. I massage it with my finger. I get rid of the black coming through, and then I go over it one more time. So that's really as bright as you can get in terms of a white. And then I use the same tool and just do a little bit less pressure and let the black come through. Going in both directions. But because the paper is bumpy, the grainy black brings down the overall value of that square. Pressing down less hard, and if I press down too hard, I can blot, or I can use my pencil and use less pressure too. So overall, this is to be my middle ground, and I can do it either way, with a pencil or with a chunk. And notice if I smear it, it gets a little bit lighter. Now next we have really what is just a whisper of white. I'm using a small chunk and going over lightly. I can do the same thing with my pencil, just with a light layer. And then there's black. So keep this in mind while you're working. This is the range we're going for. White on black and black on white. Largest object first. Even arc, top and bottom. So before I start filling in all my objects, I'm going to block out where the light is in the surrounding area before I do the objects. Notice I'm keeping my cast shadows as clean as I can so that they are dark. And remember, the whitest thing in the composition will have no black coming through. So you will want to use your blending stump. And since the goal is to make sure that the white objects look white and the black objects look black, you can increase the value change between the black and the white backgrounds. Okay, well that gives you an idea how to make two things look dark, two things look light in a surround that includes one white napkin and one dark surface or one dark napkin. So have fun.